Hi, I come across this problem all the time, so this is a very quick video to show you that I found a new tool to put yourself in a thumbnail. I love this thumbnail that vidIQ AI coach made for me, but see, it came from the photo on the right with me against the blue wall, and I think she looks a little too young and fancy on the left, and I want her to be wearing my sweater. Even though it's based on me, it is my face. So here's the prompt that I gave it. I love this thumbnail, however the lady in the second photo in the white sweater needs to be the one in the thumbnail. The more specific you can be, the better. So should still be holding the money, and the comedy and tragedy masks should be gradient and purple. So let's see what we get, because right now this will only cost 39 cents, it looks like. So for $1, I can run this model 25 times. And this is on Fal.ai, and it is pay as you go. So right now I have about $3 in there. So let's see what I get. All right, ready? Let's get ready to do this. I'm so excited. Click run. I have found this pretty fast. Oh, look at this. I like this so much better. Scared in our 50s about money. This is perfect. This is the channel we're working on right now. It's fairly new, real talk as we reach retirement age. And this is how you change out your thumbnail. You go to manage videos, and it is thinking. This is the one that I'm changing. So then you go to details. Okay. It's right now scoring an 89, but I think it's going to be even better. So we'll go to these three little dots, change. We're going to put this one. That's our new one that we like, that we made with the vidIQ AI coach. And save. Engagement. Reach. See, it was only given 26 impressions. And when everybody clicked away, it was like, nope, we gave you 26 impressions. We're not giving you any more. Let me show you the original thumbnail. There. Okay, see over here, you see it says thumbnail changes. You see on the far right? That was our original thumbnail. Why would I don't know. I was just toying with the idea of really looking my age. That's how you change out a thumbnail. I'm also going to see if maybe I should just start over and edit it a little bit and re-upload it. Okay, I hope that serves you in some way. Again, happy with my new little toy that I have found that made this thumbnail for us right here. It is Fal.ai. And we use the nano banana one. Okay, watch the videos that pop up next, because I hope one of them helps you in some way and makes you a lot of money. Bye.